Hey guys, Ryan here, and today we're talking about TikTok, and specifically TikTok theme pages, and how we can grow a TikTok theme page by not using 1 ounce of our own original content. For those of you here, I'm Ryan Gonzalez, and this is Gonzalez Pair, where we break down every side hustle imaginable. For today, we're going to be taking you through the process where I personally grew close to 50,000 followers on TikTok without ever showing my face not once. For those of you here, please comment down below some of the side hustles that you're currently working on. Hey, make sure you stay tuned because I'll be sharing one secret to help grow my TikTok exponentially. For step one of growing a theme page, whether that be on TikTok or Instagram, it is important to find and target a specific niche. This allows you to better grow a large following of your audience that comes back to your page knowing exactly what they're going to get every time. But even more important than that, when we have a niche, it allows advertisers to know what the audience is going to be looking at on your theme page. And ultimately, that is the ultimate goal, is to be able to advertise and sell ads on a TikTok theme page, because we ultimately want to make money.
I'm still me, I stay automatic. Money add and multiply, I call it mathematics.
Now let's go through some examples of niches that would be great to start with for starting up a theme page. One of the most obvious ones that may be oversaturated at this point is obviously the comedy niche. And I'm sure everybody here at least follows one comedy page, theme page on TikTok or at least on Instagram. An example of a theme page in a comedy niche would be, for example, Daquan. Daquan is a social media group now that grew so large that you're verified on Instagram, verified on TikTok by just posting under people's content, reposting the funny videos that they see. Some other large niches that you may be able to get into for a theme page that are not oversaturated as much as comedy niches are going to be the animal niche, the fashion niche, the beauty niche, and what currently this YouTube page is in the financial niche, or people say the business niche. And then there's a niche that I personally used on my theme page for TikTok and Instagram, and that niche is the health and fitness niche. Once you decide what niche you're going to want to be part of, the next important step is to find and create a nice clean title for the theme page. Some tips in deciding a title: you're going to want it to be clean, you're going to want it to be catchy, and for example, you don't want something that's not going to be able to be remembered easily, like for example Incel Destroyer 69. That's just not an appropriate name for a theme page. Another tip when deciding the name for your theme page, you want to relate it to something in the niche. For example, my theme page is named Lift, Eat, and Repeat, and that is in the health and fitness niche. But there is a way to create something so catchy that it sticks in within a niche that's completely irrelevant. For example, let's go back to the example of Daquan. Daquan has nothing to do with comedy, it's just a name, but now it's a theme page that's very large. Once you have the name of the theme page ready to go, the next big step is to find a nice profile picture and create a good bio. Editing your bio and finding a nice clean profile picture should be relatively easy. I'm showing you here how I went on just to Google. You just type in the niche that you're currently in and just type up clip art after that. And you should find a bunch of pictures that are safe to use, uncopyrighted. Once you find a proper theme page profile picture, the next step is to edit the bio. There are 3 major steps in creating a bio properly, and that is what the theme page is, what you have to offer, and a call to action to the people visiting your theme page. With the call to action, you're going to want to say follow at your actual theme page's name, and this just gives an extra conversion rate of people going to your theme page and wanting to click and follow that. Just say, hey, follow me. The next important step is finding content for your theme page. This for me and my personal theme page on TikTok, I was able to find content on Instagram and move that over to TikTok. This was done by finding workout routines on popular people's pages, scrolling through their pages, and finding ones that got the most impressions and activity. For example, I'm scrolling through this Instagram page and I'm looking at all the workout routines that got the most likes and views, and then I'm going to want to copy that link and move it over to Fast Save on my Apple Store. And I'm going to save that Instagram video to my phone so I can post it on TikTok. Next step would be to download this video off Instagram. And there's a variety of apps to save videos off Instagram, but I personally use Fast Save, and it's available in the Apple App Store. With the pages that get a lot of activity, you're going to want to take the time to find the proper content on Instagram to be able to post on TikTok, because if it gets a lot of likes and impressions on Instagram, it's most likely gonna hit pretty off on TikTok. Once we get the video fully saved, we're gonna wanna go over to TikTok and post it on our theme page. One of the main important things is to give proper credit to the content creator. I usually do this on TikTok by giving the Instagram handle for the content creator in the description. And the next process is just rinse and repeat that. And you're gonna wanna be posting at least 3 times a day in the beginning to grow, make sure you get enough people looking at your videos. It's just a matter of rinsing and repeating this process until one of your videos finally hits. And then next thing you know, you're gonna have a large following and all your videos are gonna start popping off. And it's just a snowball effect after that. For me personally, my TikTok theme page didn't start getting a bunch of followers until maybe 3 to 2 weeks in. Well, that's it for the main portion of this video. And I want to thank you for the people who watched it this far, because I got a special treat for you, one extra tip that I want to share with you. My one extra tip on TikTok is to be able to grow your followers exponentially is the follow and unfollow method. I'm sure we all heard of the follow and follow method when growing a theme page, but there's a proper way to do this on TikTok. My advice when doing a follow and follow method on TikTok is you're gonna want to search up videos in your niche. You're gonna want to go through the comments on that video, and you're gonna want to follow the accounts that commented. But there is one important step that will help you grow and actually get followers back when doing that, is that when you go through the comments and you select on a page, you're gonna want to check out how many followers they have. The goal of looking at the followers on each comment and their page is you're gonna want to see if they have a lot of followers already. They're not gonna care that you follow them. But if they have like 10 or less than 100 followers, they're gonna notice you follow them and they might look at your page and follow you back. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you all for watching. It was very fun to make. I just wanted to share you the process of how I grew my theme page on TikTok. Make sure you like and subscribe, because next week I'm going over a video of how we can start another side hustle of making money over the internet called the internet bread. And please feel free to go to my page on TikTok. I know it's interesting once I do that all the time when I watch videos like this where they don't post their TikTok actual page, but you can go there and comment and say, hey, what's up? I'm here from your video, and I'll make sure to like that. If you have any questions or anything like that, please feel free to comment below. And with that being said, that's it for the video. Peace. See you next week.